What's up, YouTube? It is Sunday night, about probably 9 o'clock. Wife and I just got home, just unloaded our car, and I'm just addressing the issue as to why we haven't been making too many videos lately, and they've just been kind of these weekly updates. So, to make a short story long, my mom is getting ready to sell her house, so we have been working to get it kind of remodeled, and that's been just eating up my weekends like crazy. You know, and weekends are normally when I make my YouTube content. I usually will work Saturday mornings, generally from home, and usually that's when I'll take a couple extra hours to record a video or whatever, and then Sunday morning I usually try to do some paperwork and edit a video and schedule it to come out that following Wednesday. That's my normal weekly routine. Well, since we haven't been doing that on weekends, to make up for the work I generally do Saturday morning, I've been making that work. I can't walk and talk and think. That is just too much to ask. Okay, let's try that again. So, Saturdays, the work I normally do on Saturdays, I haven't been able to do, so I've been pushing that out through the week in order to make time to Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday be over at my mom's remodeling her house. And this coming week, Monday, tomorrow, they're coming in to take pictures to list it, and I think plan on doing a walkthrough sometime during the week. Her realtor's been putting feelers out to people who are looking for the house, so they've got quite the list of people who want to look at it. And so anyways, this week we still had to put in carpet, flooring, trim, paint, and replace some heaters. So literally Friday I was work 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. then went to sleep and was up and working again at 8 a.m. and then went to sleep when I was done working at 2 p.m. Saturday, and then Sunday I was up again at 8 a.m. working, and I worked until about 2. Then my wife and I stopped and met up with some friends and kind of hung out, and then we're just now getting home. Like I said, it's a couple-hour drive, so you know, it's a lot of work, but pretty much everything's ready. I mean, it's one of them things when you're remodeling a house, you could keep finding stuff to do, but I think we're done with it. I think it's ready, and it looks really good, and I think it's going to sell really, really fast. The only room there's 2 rooms we didn't remodel all the way. We did half the kitchen, and that doesn't make much sense. We did everything but cupboards and countertops, because they don't look bad. They're older, but they're not in bad shape. So we didn't do those. We freshened up plumbing, redid the bathrooms, put new appliances in, didn't paint and do the floor in her laundry room, but new appliances and all that good stuff. So anyways, again, to make a short story long, I am hopefully done with that. So this coming weekend I should be able to record some videos for you guys and get some editing now, and I'm hoping I can schedule... He's chasing the rabbit. This is our Sunday night routine. Actually, it's our every night routine. We walk out to our compost pile to turn it, and he looks for the rabbit. He loves it. So anyways, I'm hoping this weekend I will have time to make some videos and some content for you guys to bring you up to date. We've got some exciting things. We've got, I'm hoping I'm going to work on my trailer this weekend. Get over here. I'm hoping I'm going to work on my trailer this weekend, finish putting cross members in, maybe build the pocket rails. I got to go inside and crunch numbers to see what I have for budgets, and I got to send out like 20 emails to confirm orders for this week. So that's going to be a joy. It's a good problem to have, but like every time I looked at my phone this past week, I had like 7 new messages for orders on whatever ramps. We've started doing fork extensions, all sorts of things. So anyway, so I will do that, and then hopefully I can get my trailer built a little bit more. I'd like to get at least one. I'd like to get both axles under it and get it moved out of the way. And build some content up for you guys. Ooh, another good thing for our podcast, we did get our sound equipment in end of last week. We've got it set up, and we've been looking for now we're just trying to like figure out what software we're going to use to record it and everything. Because the software, I can't remember, Podbean, I think is what it's called. And basically what we're looking for in that software is not only can we record our audio, but I want to be able to record guests' audio from like different locations. So, you know, like if I wanted to do a podcast with another YouTuber welding channel, which is kind of my goal. And I think I'm going to do welding and homesteading channels, kind of like the target. A reason being, and my regular viewers will know, is we're starting a little farm. I call it a farm. My wife calls it a homestead. That's why you can see our compost pile behind us. And we talked in another video about putting cattle fence out back, which, update on that, I don't think we're doing metal post. I called my guy I buy the 3-inch Schedule 40 drops from. He only had like 4, and he didn't have any orders for any coming in soon where he could like tell me if he was going to have drops. So literally, I think I quoted it for like to do metal fence posts everywhere. It was going to be like $3,000. And I was like, that's just, it'd be a fun project for me because I love welding pipe, and it'd be a good video for you guys. Unfortunately, I looked for used pipe. The closest I could find was a 4-hour drive from me. And it was still going to be more than I wanted to spend. I told myself if I could find used pipe for like 20 or 30% more than I could just buy wood pipe or wood fence post for, I would do that. And I couldn't, so I think we're just going to go with wood ones. So anyways, that's short story long. Anyways, I just wanted to get on here, give you guys an update, say my mom's house is done. Hopefully it sells this month. And then my only other option, or my only other delay, will be when it does sell, she has to move all of her stuff. So I know that will drive me crazy. And actually, now that I'm out here looking at it, our stock trailer, we should actually get this thing fixed up and back on the road, so when she does have to move, this would be like a perfect little option to move all of her stuff. And this trailer, so fun story, my parents were farmers, and my grandpa, my dad's dad, he built this trailer as like a gift when my parents started their farm in the 1880s. And this trailer has been in our family ever since. And it has done a lot of moving. I'm the youngest of 8 kids. And it has done a lot of moving kids and cousins and whoever around into their first house. It's probably moved more furniture than it has livestock. So, probably not, but it's done a fair share. Come on, Denver. Denver, come on. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to get on here and say thank you so much for your patience. I'm hoping we will be back to our regular schedule of video every Wednesday this week. As far as the podcasts go, I'm going to rotate them in. So probably one podcast a month will get uploaded to YouTube as that weekly video. And I'll also show you where you can get those podcasts to stream, like while you're at work or whatever. So, and I think with Podbean, it's Spotify, the podcast app, iTunes, all that stuff. I think it uploads to those. The only things I had to verify with it were it uploaded to YouTube and it uploaded to, and I could record audio from different places. So other than that, just checking out my wife's garden here because she's got all these little sprouts. She planted wildflowers in these two 4x8 boxes, and then we're gonna do, she left a little room in the back to do vine flowers because she wants to make bouquets to gift to people this summer. So vine flowers will climb up over this arch and you should be able to walk through it, as long as Denver doesn't destroy it. And then what other updates do we have on the homesteading life? We have chickens. We have 8 egg layers. I guess they're all outside. We have a mixture of a few. And then this year, we're going to do a couple cycles of meat birds. So I have a little chicken tractor starting over here. I just got to get some tin from the Amish to do one side and a hatch door. And then we have the feeders, so we'll be able to open that up. Outside of that, we're going to do chickens. And we'll probably do a couple of those, seeing on how many we can sell. I have to look into how I can sell whole chickens, if I have to get them USDA inspected or not in the state of Michigan. So if any of my Michigan subscribers know, you tell me. And then next year, cattle out back. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It helps us grow. We're almost at 750. So that's really good news. And I think that's all I have for you. So thank you for your patience again. We should get back to our regular schedule this week, and I will see you guys on the next video. Remember, if you're not burning, you're not learning. Peace.